All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's get right in today's topic. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Saturday was a great day for the crypto market. We did see a bounce, as you can see across the board. Multiple different coins up, which of course I'm sure no one is really complaining about. But yeah, we have literally 3 days left, including of course today, which is Sunday. Until the year of 2024 comes to an end. And the year of 2024 was a historical year in my opinion. A lot happened. Some pivotal moments happen, and I think it's going to really set us up for a great year of 2025. I'm very anticipating the year of 2025 to bring a lot of good things for the crypto industry. But yeah, I wish you guys the best year of 2025. Hope it's the best year yet, and hope you guys achieve all your dreams that you have set for yourselves. Work really hard, and like I said, hope you guys have a great year of 2025. But looking across the board right now, multiple different coins up, which of course is great to see. XRP is up 1.1%. I know a lot of people are going to come out and start pointing fingers at that part. You're looking at Theta, you're looking at Pyth, you're looking at A116Z, up a lot, but you're looking at XRP only up 1.1%. But it's okay. Yeah, you heard that correct. It's okay. If you're looking at it on a yearly time frame, even on crypto bubbles, it's kind of inaccurate. But I'm sure when I pull out the charts, it speaks for itself. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening, and of course what we could be expecting going into the morning. So $2.19 right now, up 1.2% in USD, up 1% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market cap at about 125.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $2.3 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Before we get into it, I just want you guys to note that we are obviously in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual due to CME futures being closed. So that's something that I don't want you guys to be ignoring. But let's take a look at what's really going around. So I really wanted to share this with you guys. Crypto mining firm Blockware forecasts Bitcoin may reach $150,000 or $400,000 in 2025 based on Donald Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve plan and Fed rates. And of course, I know some people are going to come out and say, well, this has nothing to do with XRP, but I hope you guys understand, whatever Bitcoin does, this is going to have a huge impact on XRP. So, the bear case is 150,000, which again, even if you're looking at it from where we are currently, that is not a small move by any means. And base case 225. So for the bear case, Blockware thinks that Trump does not follow through with the SBR, and Fed further reserves course on rate cuts. Long-term holder aggressively sell coins. Base case $225,000 per BTC. Current U.S. holding becomes the SBR. Fed lower interest rates at projected rate. Corporate BTC adoption continues at current rate, which I think will happen. I think the corporate Bitcoin adoption will continue to go, and the other thing about the strategic Bitcoin reserve, I think we still need a little bit more, time for us to hear that. But the bulk is $400,000. So US adopts SBR while also accumulating more BTC. Fed becomes more dovish, and headline SPI declines. Corporate BTC adoption rate accelerates. Of course, if these things happen, 400K, that's the mega bullish term. I personally think, and again, I'm not trying to be a bear or anything, I think 400K is too big of a target. I think possibly 200K or 250. And again, I'm just pulling numbers out of thin air right now, but I'm just, roughly calculating the market valuation in my head for BTC. And I think those numbers, could be the bull case in my opinion. But of course, no one's really complaining if it were to go to 400K. Do let me know in the comments down below. But, I really like to look at it from a realistic standpoint. Even 200K I think would be amazing. But yeah, look at this, over 70 public companies hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet, this year, with a total of 591,726 Bitcoin. Which company will join the next list? If you're looking right now, you are seeing some big names. Of course, you're looking at, Tesla, Coinbase, obviously MicroStrategy, some big names, of course, but you're not still seeing some of the other big companies, major corporations. And I think that's going to happen. When you start seeing the likes of, Walmart, you see the likes of Apple, you see the likes of course, well, Amazon, when they come on board, I think this just changes the game. We're talking about, billions, if not trillions of dollars, flowing into BTC, which of course, speaks for itself. But yeah, let's continue to take a look at this. Ripple is one of the three key players in the United States that had access to Trump's team and could influence the crypto agenda. And, we heard these kind of rumors, as Donald Trump got elected, but as of now, we're going to see what happens. You could see, Brad Grilling says three key players came together during this election cycle to really make sure that the crypto is a front foot of the Trump's agenda. That's obviously what Brad Grilling has said. And they really want these guys to take this thing seriously. And those rumors that were flying around, as I stated to you guys before, Brad Grillinghouse was very careful with, the wordings in the interview. Didn't really decline that, he did not meet with Donald Trump, but also didn't say he did. So, of course, it kind of puts people still on the edge. But this should really tell you as to how important this really is, regulation coming towards crypto, and, organizations, major companies that have already been through major, ups and downs over the last, decade are going to be at the forefront, in my opinion, to, really, push this agenda that, Brad Garlinghouse is really referring to. And I think they did. And they did it in a really good way. But yeah, moving forward, I really wanted to, have you guys understand this. Shout out to Charting Guy. I think Charting Guy has said this perfectly. Some impatient XRP holders are complaining when the chart literally looks like this. The next leg up will be changing lives. And I agree with, the fact that, he's saying, the complaining when the chart literally looks like this. And I've stated to you guys before how beautiful the chart of XRP looks, but we're going to get into that. If you're looking at XRP, obviously I'm going to get into the price, but look at the Bitcoin dominance, has pulled down today, which of course is great to see. While Bitcoin, I did mention this in my Pepe update. If you did end up watching it, I think it's going to go up live after the XRP update. So, let's kind of forget that. So, of course, we did see Bitcoin making its way down to $93,575 since then, had seen a little bit of an uptick within its price, which of course, dominance went down while, Bitcoin saw a little bit of a recovery. And, you saw altcoins having an amazing day, as you can see across the board. But, we're noticing a little bit of a pattern, and I don't want you guys to be ignoring this pattern. And I mentioned that, like I said, in the Pepe update, which I'm sure you guys are not going to watch it because, XRP update is going to go live before. But you're looking at this consolidation, down, consolidation, down. So what if we do make our way down and it's a complete fake out as to what we're seeing? So, this pattern is still giving me a little bit of a, hint that this could potentially still be the case. A retest down to the 23.6. We retested it before. It's not that we haven't. Two different retests. What makes us think that we cannot see that retest yet again and have this move that we're seeing right now be a complete fake out? And again, if you want to put this into perspective, that would be a drop of about 2.6%. And of course, if that does not hold, I've stated to you guys before, even an $86,000 to $85,000 Bitcoin could still be on the table. But I want you guys to obviously keep in mind, of course, if we're able to reclaim back above $98,000, we could be having a different conversation. But as of now, we should not be ignoring that. But if you're looking at XRP, like I said, a complete thing of beauty. Yes, we are not seeing the 23.6 fib zone being retested, since December 16th, but we're still in the 38.2. You cannot ignore that. If you're an XRP holder and if you're ignoring, this beautiful, pattern, the sideways momentum, then I really hope you guys are looking at it from a realistic standpoint. So far, so good. Obviously, we did come across some, resistance around the $2.25 key level. Obviously, if that is able to break out, I do believe, $2.34 will be reclaimed quite fast, which of course, again, is another major resistance. But so far, so good. I don't really care. It's consolidating beautifully after having a major move the way it has. And I do believe, once you do break out of this, sideways momentum, especially above, the $2.40, getting into the 23.6 fib zone, I think, this can really, move up quite fast towards a new all-time high. So, of course, right now, patience are definitely being tested for people, but you don't want to be, losing your patience. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.